You say D D D D D D D. Yeah, you're not laughing anymore. You were cracking up before. Boy, you thought it was hilarious. Da, 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 da. Hey, boo boo. D D D D. No, okay. This movie was a bust. You know how it is. By the time you get the camera, it's all over. It's all over there, Mr. Basketball. Oh, wait. There he is. There he is after all. Hey, Mr. Holden. Mr. Holden. There you are. Where'd you go? Where'd you go, buddy? Hey, boo-boo. Where'd you go, buddy? Oh, the ball went way far away. I'll get it for you. Aha. You got it. Mm-hmm. I see. Hey, can you go put it in the basket? Come here, boo. Hey, come here. Holden. 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 Go put it in the basket. Put the basketball in the basket. Come here, buddy. Here. Come here, buddy. Put it in the basket. Can you put it in the basket? Come put it in the basket, bud. Good boy. Here you go. Put it in there. Put it in the basket. Yay! Put it in. All right. Give me a high five. Give me a high five. High five. No high five? That's awesome. 2 points though, buddy. Very nicely done. And you need to celebrate with some water. Very understandable. Can you do it again? Hey, Holden. Put the basketball in the basketball net. Can you do that? Can you put the ball? You got it? Uh-oh, where'd it go? There it goes. Okay, put it in the basketball net. There you go. Good boy. Put it in. Yay! Nice. Nicely done. High five. Give me a high five. A high five? No high five? Okay. You want to do it again? Can you put the ball in the basketball hoop? Woo! Yeah! Awesome! Yeah! High five! Yeah! Woo! Alright, buddy. You are working on your basketball scholarship, I see. Alright, signing off. See ya.